Okay, the next one discussed topic is called the apomixis. What is called the apomixis? That is called absent or not involved in the process. Okay, that is called the apomixis. Okay, now see for this, what is called the gamete? Gamete means as a separate male and female character. The fusion of the condition is called the fertilization. That is a true fertilization. I have to say for it syncamy. Okay, that is a process not involved the gamete. That is called the apomixis. Okay, that is a type of the apomixis. And then vegetative reproduction also almost permit. And then is a type of the particles also discussed from. Okay. The apomixis, the reproduction does not involve the union of male and female gamete. What is called the male or female gamete mean? That is called separate product of the character, that is called male character, and also female character, that is called the gamete. The gamete condition also very important to the fusion. This apomixis process do not involve the gamete character. Okay, and then the term apomixis was introduced by Wengler this year 1908. This is very important for this mock question. The term apomixis was introduced by Wengler in the year 1908, and also the reproduction which is not involved the meiosis and is called the syncamy. What is called, already I am saying this is syncamy. Syncamy means that is called the true fertilization process, that is called the syncamy. Okay, and then Mageswari, the father of the embryology, the worked in the Delhi University. It is a Mageswari, father of embryology in 1950. They say for that as a differentiation for the plant character. The apomixis has a differentiation for the recurrent and the non-recurrent plant character. Recurrent and non-recurrent plant character. What is called the recurrent? The recurrent means that is called the vegetative reproduction in agamospermy. That is called the recurrent character. Recurrent means including the vegetative reproduction, and that is called the reproduction under agamospermy. That is called the recurrent reproduction. And then non-recurrent condition, that is called a haploid embryo sac developed after meiosis, develop into the embryo without fertilization process. Embryo with the without fertilization process, that is called the process or involved in a non-recurrent fertilization process, that is called the without fertilization. Very important, that is called the without fertilization process. And then the recurrent apomixis has a differentiation for vegetative reproduction and also agamospermy. That is all differentiation in agamospermy. The three character: adventicic embryonic, diplospory, and then apospory. Agamospermy has a differentiation in adventicic embryonic, diplospory, and the apospory. Have the differentiated very important character. And then vegetative reproduction. The plant propagated by these any part of the other than seed. The plant propagated by any parts other than seed. That is character is called the method. Has given some example. First of all, bulbils, Fritillaria imperlens, and then bulbs, allium, and then runner character also given to this Mentha arvensis, and also sucker. The example for chrysanthemum. All the example for very important for the 1 mark question, also asking in some one time the exam. The 2 mark question also very important. This is important. I have repeated in some. Bulbils means that is called Fritillaria imperlens. Bulbs means allium, and also runner means that is called the Mentha arvensis, and also sucker means chrysanthemum. That is called a very important for this character. Okay, and then the agamospermy. This embryo are formed by the eliminating meiosis. That is a very important character for eliminating meiosis under syncamy. What is called syncamy? Or discussed for this syncamy means that is called the true fertilization. So eliminating meiosis and syncamy, that is called the agamospermy. Okay, and then adventicic embryonic. Next we have seen for this adventicic embryonic character. Adventicic embryonic means the embryo arises directly from the diploid sporophyte. embryo arise from the directly from the diploid sporophyte, that is called. What is called the sporophyte? It is a differentiation for the sporophyte and gametophytic means. Gametophytic means the example for bryophytic means the bryophytic plant character, gametophyte is dominant, but sporophyte is depend upon the character. Okay, especially the gametophyte provide to the food material under the sporophytic condition is coming to the plant character means that is called naturally developed in the plant character of the leaf-like structure, stem-like structure, root-like structure is called produced. That is called the sporophytic condition. But the bryophytic plant character means the primitive part of this the sporophytic character, advanced character of the gametophytic character. This is called the very important nature of the bryophytic plant. And then the sporophytic cell either from the nucellus or the integument character. Already discussed many times. Nucellus and integument. Nucellus means that is called say in perisperm, and also integument have the covering particle as a two integument particle also present, inner and outer integument particle, the texta and tegment also, the seed character also present having already discussed the particle. And then the sporophyte is a budding because the gametophyte space is completely absent. It is completely, the gametophytic space is completely absent. What is the main function of gametophytic means to provide the food material. Okay, and then this is an example for citrus and mangifera. And then diplosporic, there is another name I was say for the generative sporo, generative, that is called, the condition is called generative apospore. Generative apospore. A diploid embryo sac is formed from the megaspore mother cell or MMC. Diploid megaspore mother cell without a regular meiotic division. What is know about this meiotic division? Meiotic division means the 4 cell character is present. You know about this. The mitotic division means that is called the 2 cell is produced. So the microspore mother cell without a regular meiotic division. The example for citrus and mangifera. Citrus and mangifera. That is called the main example for the diplospore. Okay, and then aposporic condition. Aposporic, the megaspore mother cell, the normal meiosis and the 4 megaspore formed in gradually disappear. That is the main concept of the apospore. And then a new cellular cell become activated and develop into diploid embryo. So embryo sac, the diploid embryo sac. The type of the apospore is called the somatic apospore. What is called the somatic? Somatic salt is say in body cell, that is called somatic say in a body cell. Example for Erachium and then Parthenium. Example for plant character also very important in this character. Okay, and then polyembryonic character. Polyembryonic character. The occurrence of the more than one embryo in the seed is called the polyembryonic. It is a main nature, more than one embryo. That is called the polyembryonic. The first discovered in orange plant character in Anton van Leeuwenhoek 1790. That is called in 18th century. Discovered in the polyembryonic condition for the Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Okay, that is a year also very important. The polyembryonic is divided into the 4 category based on its origin. The first of all, cleavage polyembryonic. The first of all, cleavage polyembryonic, and then example for orchid. This naturally orchid is called the endosperm absent plant character. That is called the orchid. Orchid means naturally endosperm absent. And then this orchid character also ornamental plant character. That is called the cleavage polyembryonic. And then second one, the formation of the embryo by the cell of the embryo sac other than egg. That is called given the so many examples. This is a very important for the 2 mark question. The formation of embryo by the cells of the embryo sac other than egg cell. Okay, the first of all, synergate Aristolochia, and then antipodal cell Ulmus, and then endosperm melanospora. Okay, you know about this synergate. Where is present in the synergate? The synergate present mean that is called the largest one cells character is called the egg cell, and then the region, the nearest region present in here two synergate. What is a synergate? Naturally decompose to the provide the energy of the developing embryo shaft. Okay, that is called the naturally synergate. And then antipodal cell, that is called the antipodal cell. Antipodal cell naturally that is called function also the degenerated developing of the embryo sac providing to the nutrition, that is called antipodal cell. 3 antipodal cells also present. Synergate means there's 2 synergate and then center particle present in a egg cell, that is called the egg apparatus. Okay, and then endosperm, that is called the endosperm character. Endosperm means already I am many times saying. Gymnosperm means haploid condition. Angiosperm means 3N condition. The gymnosperm means before fertilization. Angiosperm means that is called the after fertilization. This is example for the melanospora. Example for this melanospora. And then development of the more than one embryo sac with the same level. It is example megaspore mother cell. The derivatives of the 2 or more megaspore mother cell. The example for the species Casuarina. Example for the species is called the Casuarina. Okay, the given the diagram particle. First of all, the present in upper layer, it is called the zygotic embryos, and then below the particle is called the endosperm, and below the particle is called the endosperm, and then that is called the antipodal cells also present in this embryo. This is very very important. And then this is activation of some sporophytic cells of the ovule. Activation of the some sporophytic cells of the ovule. Example, the nucellus, the integument, the nucellus integument. The example plant character is called the citrus and then syzygium. Citrus and also syzygium. Citrus is called the orange, lemon, and also the present in citric acid. So that is called the example in nucellus and integument. That is a citrus and syzygium example. Nucellus means that is called say in perisperm. Integument character that is called also present in the outer and integument character and testa and tegma, that is called the integument in nature. And then practical application. Have I given this particle of this practical application? The seedling formed from the new cellular tissue in the citrus are found better clones for the orchids. The embryos derived through the polyembryonic are found in a virus free. Naturally, that is the condition. The produced in a practical application means the virus free condition, and also produced in the citrus and also clone for the orchid plant. The example plant very important, citrus plant and the orchid plant character. And the next one, parthenocarpic. Parthenocarpic means that is called the seed in the seedless fruit, that is called the parthenocarpic condition. I mentioned the earlier, the ovary become the fruit and the ovule become the seed after the fertilization. That is called condition in after fertilization. However, in the number of the cases, the fruit-like structure may develop from the ovary without act of the fertilization. This is a very important character, without act of the fertilization. That is a naturally in parthenocarpic fruit. The parthenocarpic fruit are some produced in naturally or sometimes produced in artificial character also. The example species is called the banana, grapes and papaya. Banana, grapes and papaya. The parthenocarpic fruit, that condition is called invariably they will not have the true seed. They have not the true seeds. The economically important, the commercially, the plant character is a very important. Many commercial fruit are made the seedless fruit, that is called the parthenocarpic condition. The example fruits, banana, grapes and papaya. Banana, grapes and papaya. The Nietzsche, the 1963 classified the parthenocarpic into the following types. Okay, these are who is this classified to the parthenocarpic fruit means Nietzsche in 1963. The first of all has a differentiation for the 3 types: genetic parthenocarpic, and then environmental parthenocarpic, and then chemical parthenocarpic, and then genetic parthenocarpic, and also environmental parthenocarpic, and also chemical parthenocarpic character is present in this. Have the differentiation for the Nietzsche in 3 types. Okay, the first of all genetic parthenocarpic. First of all the genetic parthenocarpic. The genetic parthenocarpic means arise due to the hybridization or mutation. Hybridization process or mutation condition. Example, citrus and cucurbita, and also example for citrus and cucurbita. Parthenocarpic arise due to the hybridization method as hybridization or mutation. What is how to produce it in hybridization process mean? Get it in some plants highly yielding plant character and also high resistant plant character also one present. High yielding plant character had not a present in disease resistance character. Now the same another plant character is called the highly disease resistant character but not produced in this high yielding. So there is a two plant characters linked to produce the particle is called the hybrid variety. That is called the hybrid variety. Example in citrus and also cucurbita. Citrus and also cucurbita. And then the environmental parthenocarpic, and that is the next condition is called the environmental parthenocarpic. Environmental parthenocarpic means is a condition like that the frost, fog, low temperature, high temperature induce the parthenocarpic. Example for this low temperature means for the 3 to 19 hours induce the parthenocarpic. An example plant is called the beer. It is called the Tamil name berrycoy. That is called the beer. That is they used in these 3 to 19 hours induce the plant character. And then chemically induce the parthenocarpic. Next one, the chemically induce the parthenocarpic character. The condition is called application of growth promoting substance like that auxin and gibberellin. Mostly used in this auxin and gibberellin. The auxin means that is called especially present in this character is upper particle as is present in this auxin, and also gibberellin means the producer in chemically means gibberellic pugyuria. The fungi is called the gibberellic pugyuria produced in gibberellic acid. Produced in gibberellic acid. So natural the artificially as a producer in two substance that is called auxin and gibberellin particle. As is a gibberellin particle the spray the plant character means sudden elongation followed by the flowering character that is called bolding, that is involved in a gibberellic acid. Okay, the gibberellic acid is produced in the fungi that is called gibberellic pugyuria. Okay, and then important for the significance of the parthenocarpic. Significance of the parthenocarpic. What is called the significance? That is called important. The seedless fruit have the great significance in the horticulture. That is called the mainly important involved here horticulture. These seedless fruit have the great commercial importance. Here is an example for the so many examples are given banana, grapes and also papaya. This is called the seedless fruit. The great commercial value of this plant particle as produced in this parthenocarpic method. Okay, partheno means that is called I say in option, carpic means that is called the fruit the seed character. Carpic is called the seed character. So seedless fruit that is called parthenocarpic. Seedless fruit is called the parthenocarpic. The seedless fruit are useful for this preparation of the jam, jellies, sauce, fruit drinks also prepared by this easily. The commercial method is called the parthenocarpic method. Okay, and then high preparation of the edible part is available in the parthenocarpic fruit due to the absence of seed. Naturally, the absence of seed means some peoples are like to this plant character. So that is called the parthenocarpic fruit. Economically, this is a very very important plant. Okay, and then as a revision for the one time, the first of all, what is called say in the apomixis? Apomixis means that is called the not fused or never fused, that is called male and female gamete, or not involved the male and female condition, that is called apomixis. Who is a term the apomixis? The very important. Who is a say for the term apomixis means that is called introduced by Wengler. That is also very important. And then Maheshwari is called the same. Say this the father of embryology. And then there is a differentiation for recurrent and non-recurrent plant character. The non-recurrent means embryo without fertilization. That is called is a very very important, without fertilization. And then the recurrent apomixis means vegetative reproduction and the agmospermy. Okay, and the differentiation in agmospermy, adventine, embryonic, diplospory and also apospory. Okay, and then vegetative reproduction mean is an example also very important. Bulbils, fritillaria, imberlessis. And then bulbs, the example for allium. The bulbs, the example for allium. And then runner, mentha erinaceus. And then sucker also example for chrysanthemum. That is a very important character. Adventine polyembryonic, that is also very important particle. Embryo arise directly from the diploid sporophytic cell, either from the nucellus or integument. I will say for the nucellus mean that is a condition is called perisperm, and also integument also very important. And then sporophytic budding, I would say for the sporophytic condition, the sporophytic condition means as a developing condition is a present in especially angiosperm plant and also gymnosperm plant character. The sporophytic character is a dominant, but the bryophytic character means the gametophytic condition is dominant. The sporophytic particle depend upon this character. What is the main function of gametophytic means? Provide food material. Gametophytic means mainly the gametophytic condition food material. And then is a sporophytic budding because gametophytic space is completely absent. Example for adventine polyembryonic. The example plant citrus and mango. Example plant character citrus and mango. And then diplospory, the generative spory or apospory. Generative spory also it's called apospory. And then diploid embryo sac is formed from the megaspore mother cell without irregular meiosis process. It's a very important, without irregular meiotic division. It's also example for citrus and mangifera. Mangifera means mango. That will say in Mangifera indica, that is called citrus lemon. It is a naturally present in diplospory condition. And also next one, apospory, megaspore mother cell, normal meiosis and 4 megaspore is formed in gradually disappear. A cellular cell become activated and develop into the diploid embryo sac. Development of this condition is called the diploid embryo sac. And then somatic, already I am saying somatic means that is condition is called the body cell, that is an apospory. Somatic apospory. Example plant Irachium and Parthenium also very important. Next condition, polyembryonic character. What is called the polyembryonic? More than one embryo, that is called the many embryos character is present, that is a condition is called the polyembryonic. Poly means many. The first storage gene, the first of all, this is the first observed by this Anton von Leeuwenhoek in 18th century. Which one is a plant means orange. Okay. Then next one, the cleavage polyembryonic condition. That is an example in orchid. Orchid mean endosperm absent. The formation of the embryo by the cells of the embryo sac other than egg condition. Other than egg condition, there are so many examples for the given. The first of all, synergate, Aristolochiaceae, antipodal ulmus, endosperm, melanospora, and then more than one embryo sac. Example for Casuarina. More than one embryo sac, that is called the example in Casuarina. Example another one character also some given to this particle, nucellus. Example for citrus, and the integument is called the syzygium. Integument also is called the syzygium. It is a very important for the 3 mark question. Synergate, Aristolochiaceae, antipodal cell ulmus, endosperm, melanospora, more than one embryo sac means the best example for Casuarina. Nucellus means citrus plant, and also integument means syzygium. Integument, that is called the syzygium. It is a diagram particle. This zygotic embryo developed in this particle already present in 2 synergate and 1 sex. 1 egg cell. Have to say for this egg apparatus. What is I am saying? This condition is known as a egg apparatus. This particle is large, one is a egg cell, and then nearest region present the 2 synergate cell. The 2 synergate cells are decomposed to provide to the nutrition for the developing embryo sac. Okay, and then polar nuclei, or that is endosperm. What is the main function of endosperm means? providing to the nutrition of the embryo cycle. That is also same function, endosperm also. And but as a differentiation in gymnosperm and angiosperm means the variation of the character is present. And the next one, antipodal embryo sac. These are below particle is a three particle or three cells are present in this antipodal cell. That is called the antipodal cell in embryo sac. Is a present. This is a naturally the character is called antipodal cell, degenerated, providing to the nutrition of the developing embryo sac. Okay, 7 cell and 8 nucleus condition, that is a present the polygonum embryo sac. Already I am saying polygonum condition means that is called 7 cell and then 8 nucleus. And then activation of the some sporopetic cell of the ovule nucellus. What is called the ovule? Ovule to form the seed. Okay, ovule, that is form the seed. Ovary means to form the fruit. And then nucellus integument, the exam, the citrus character and the syzygium. And then also has a the practical application means the practical application condition how for this virus free plant character produced in disease free plant character as a produced in the practical application disease free plant, that is called say in stem culture, that is called the say in the stem culture the example plant citrus and also orchid, the practically produce the plant particle. And then next one very important for parthenocarpic or seedless fruit, and also same meaning for without act of the fertilization. This is very important, without act of the fertilization. This is a plant character also very important for the economically the plant. Example in banana, grapes and also papaya, that is a naturally economical plant particle in this world. And this is a classified for the parthenocarpic character for niche in 1963. Also genetic parthenocarpic, environmental parthenocarpic and chemically induced the parthenocarpic, that is called a differentiation in three typically. Some plant character is naturally present in a parthenocarpic character. Naturally the seed character is absent, but some plant character is used in some chemical substance or physical character also used in the produced in seedless fruit. That is a very important. The chemical the process involved in auxin and gibberellin. That is a one more question very important. I was saying gibberellic fujigoria, what is called is a produced in fungi, gibberellic acid, the produced in a gibberellic acid. Okay, and then the significance of the parthenocarpic also very important. 3 more question. The commercially or economically very important for the horticulture. Thotakkalai, or to say for in Tamil horticulture or the thotakkalai. The seedless fruit have the great commercial important, and also the seedless fruit character is a very important commercial for produced in jam, jellies, sauce and also fruit drinks also provide. You also know about this so many the fruit drinks also masa and also some having the some grape juice and then apple juice has a put in this a bottle character. You know about this. This is called the produced in this particles is called the condition is known as a parthenocarpic fruit character as a produced in a juices particle. So easily to easily to the provide for the or easily to the separated for the fruit bulb. So this method is called the parthenocarpic method. Okay, and then the edible part available is a parthenocarpic due to the absence of seed. So these are children's also, some peoples also, and old peoples also easily like to this eating to the parthenocarpic. So this is a parthenocarpic also very economically and also some commercially for the some peoples also like that. The method is called the parthenocarpic fruit. Okay, and then I will discuss the particle. All this are very important. This is a parthenocarpic important, and also so many one more questions also asking this is particle as I clearly got to study. Okay.